Hey YouTube, today we'll be replacing the rear turn signal on the DR 650. I broke it, off-roading last week and got a replacement from Pro Cycle. So we're going to be changing this guy out. This is a pretty stock DR 650 2005. Only things that really changed were the seats. It's a, seat concept seat. Got a different fender for the front, more road oriented. I do about half off-road, half road. I recommend the TKC, Continental TKC dual sport tires. Those are great. All right, let's get on it. Oh, another thing I recommend is this rack right here. It's a No More, I think it's called No More Radic or something like that. You just go on Pro Cycle, you'll see it. And what's nice is you could put all different kinds of things on it. I have a little, kind of day carrier for this thing. Works really well. I just got this off Amazon. I think it was like 30 bucks. I don't recommend going off-roading with this thing because it's plastic and the pieces will break. I would get a soft bag for off-roading. But it's good to go around town. All right, we're gonna change out this turn signal. First thing we're gonna do, looks like we're gonna get a 9/16 wrench, and we're gonna unscrew this little guy back here. Now that we loosened that up, we're going to go find the end of this wire. It's going to plug in somewhere like this. So we're probably going to take the seat off, follow the wire, see where it ends up. If you have a manual like this, get this off Pro Cycle as well. You can kind of follow the wiring on the motorcycle. But this one should be pretty simple just to follow itself. We'll see what happens. So let's go ahead and remove the side panel. Alright, you should be able to follow this wire back here. Yeah, right when you take the right panel off, you'll see where it plugs in right here, right below the seat. So we'll go ahead and unplug it and then try to pull it out. What I found was easier was getting a tiny little flathead here and inserting it right here, and then just pushing on the little, you'll see a little piece of plastic that's sticking up under this right here, and you can just push right through and it will disconnect pretty easily, instead of just pulling this right here. Alright, now that we've disconnected this piece right here, we can start feeding it through to try to yank it out right there. It should fit through these little wires right, yeah, it should fit through all these little pieces of plastic holding it up, Just kind of feed it through. Yeah, once you get under the bike, you'll be able to follow the wire and pull it through. There's a little ring here that you have to pull it through, and then right up here you gotta kind of pass it along. So just follow it and pull, but make sure you're not breaking anything along your way. Alright, so we got the old one off. We got the new guy, and reroute it just like the last one came off. Follow that same path. remember when you reroute it, you're gonna wanna put this bolt back in there. All right, I kind of have the wire just sitting out, and see it kind of goes over this metal piece, over this piece right here, and then under this little hook, and then just keep pushing it through. Can't see much, so when you get to this point, remember to slide this guy through here so it's secure, and then you'll go and reconnect with this guy. Now I have a lot of excess wire. I don't know if the new ones just come with a lot of excess wire so you can cut it back, or you can just kind of use a rubber band and bunch it up and leave it in this little compartment right here. I'm probably gonna do that because I don't feel like cutting it and splicing it back in there. So now for the reconnect, you want to have this side up like this side up like that. Now I'm not quite sure if the new ones come already with a bulb in it, so we'll turn on the bike, give it a try. In case you were wondering, the new turn signals do come with a bulb in them. So I'm just testing this one out, it works. So the last thing is, remember to tighten this up before you go riding. And get the angle you want just to match the other one. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll post another video once more things break on my bike. So I'll see you next time.